So you guys know how much we love coconut oil.
I mean, who doesn't?
Today's video is super special because we're going to show you guys 7 ways to include coconut oil in your beauty routine this winter.
Oh my God.
Huge. All right, coconut oil is good for your face, skin, body, hair, like you name it, it's good for you.
I throw it in my smoothies.
Literally anything.
Yeah.
So first and foremost, I would highly recommend winter months. Your hair is super dry. If you add oil to your hair, you'll notice that it gets dry immediately. Like the oil, your hair absorbs the oil so quickly. So we highly recommend adding coconut oil to your ends.
I did that after you told me, and it made such a big difference. And I started putting it on my scalp because my scalp was dry, and it totally moisturized my scalp too.
It really moisturizes your hair and your scalp, so you can put it on your scalp as well. You don't need anything special or any additional products if you just want it for dry and dry skin. I mean dry hair. All you do is add some coconut oil and just put it. And that's it. And if you want to add some stuff to it, watch our video we did. I'll put the link on top. And it basically, you add castor oil and vitamin E oil, and it's really good for hair stimulating hair growth.
That was amazing.
All right, the second way you could use coconut oil is by removing your makeup.
I was just about to say that. I saw your notes. Cheated.
So it's super simple. Again, you literally don't need to add anything. All you need to do
and
is
it does such a good job of actually removing your makeup.
I highly recommend using little cotton swabs, like
or pads,
either these or these, and just apply some coconut oil on there.
Don't go overboard. A little bit goes a long way.
Yeah, but what's great about it is it's good for sensitive eyes. It doesn't irritate your eyes if you're because I highly recommend actually using it for your eyeliner, your mascara before you're gonna wash your face. So it's kind of like an eye makeup remover.
Yeah. Another great use for coconut oil is body scrub. So what you would do is basically, and you can totally wing it based on how much you need. So we're gonna do like a tablespoon of coconut oil. We're gonna do it with salt. This can work with sea salt, which is really good. You can also use coffee grounds, used coffee grounds. That's actually also really good if you have cellulite. That'll really help stimulate the collagen in your skin. But we're gonna add a little bit of sea salt to this and show you the texture of it, because it just makes for such a great scrub. And I would recommend honestly using this like directly in the shower, because then you can wash it off and you don't have to deal with a big mess.
If you have super dry skin like I do, this is super beneficial for your body, because if you do have dry skin, you know about lizard legs.
Lizard legs.
I swear my legs look like a lizard's body.
I feel like my hands do, so I'm just gonna like scrub my hands.
It gets out of control in the winter time. So this scrub is perfect for it.
It really is.
And it's great because you could just put it in there and rub it, and it melts, like the coconut oil texture. It melts and it turns into an oil. If you don't have moisturizer at home and you want a natural one, coconut oil. And
it'll solve your lizard legs.
It will solve my lizard legs problem. You guys, it's for. I wish I could show you guys. I already put moisturizer on.
We don't want to see. We believe you.
No, you guys need to know how real the struggle is. If you feel me, leave a comment below. But you don't need to add any bells, whistles, like any fancy stuff to this.
Just
literally adds
up.
A little bit goes a long way for this. So don't get crazy and oil yourself up, because at the end of the day, it is oil.
Yes.
Just add very little and apply it on your hands, like around here,
the elbows,
around knees.
Endless possibilities.
Yeah.
Another amazing use for coconut oil is a face mask. So what we're gonna do is, and again, you can just make as much as you need. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and then we are gonna take some baking soda, and we're gonna like generously sprinkle some baking soda into our mixture.
Baking soda acts as an exfoliant, and basically you end up removing dead cells, which gives you like pore shrinkage and brightens your skin up. And there's a million different kinds of, I feel like, masks with coconut oil.
Yeah.
So see which one fits for you.
Yeah, if you don't have baking soda at home, just, you know.
There's oatmeal, you could add lemon. There's like literally endless opportunities with coconut oil face masks.
You ready to put this on our face?
Yes, I'm ready. need that glow right now. Oh, it's a really gentle glow.
Yeah.
Gentle exfoliant.
It's not like really rough. It's like micro exfoliant. I'm digging it.
You know what this actually reminds me of? Have you ever tried Dr. Lancer's?
No, but I
The
heard
polish?
it's so good.
If you guys know of the product, it's Dr. Lancer's The Polish. I've used it like a handful of times because I got a sample. I was obsessed, but it was $75 and I don't know why I like refused to pay for it.
We just made this for
The texture feels exactly the same.
for like $5, right?
Right? Less than 5. Alright, if you're like me and you have some dirty brushes and you don't clean your brushes as often as you should,
Guilty.
totally guilty. It's just one of those things
It's
I hate
such a pain.
doing. Anyways, so coconut oil can actually be a good use of a cleaner because I always make up an excuse of like, I don't have a makeup brush cleaner. I don't have a makeup brush
It's
cleaner.
just annoying to do.
It
but
is annoying. So all you need to do is add some soap. We're using the
Dr. Brenner's.
Dr. Brenner's soap. So add the soap and a little bit of coconut oil for the moisture part. You don't want to add too much.
Not enough?
A little less.
Okay.
All right. You don't want to add too much because you don't want your brushes to end up oily.
Mix, 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 mix.
And now is the part where you don't judge me when you see how much dirt comes out of this brush.
I definitely won't judge you because mine probably would be worse. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's see what color we could turn this. This is my foundation brush.
Oh damn!
You said you're not gonna judge me. Bring your brush. You guys, look, foundation.
Anyone have dry skin? We have oily foundation here. Wow.
Yeah, it's been
That
a
worked
minute.
so much better than I originally anticipated it working.
I probably have some more in there that I could clean
Oh,
up.
for sure. Look at this.
Last but not least, wintertime equals what? Dry lips?
Kisses?
No, dry lips.
Under the mistletoe?
No, dry lips. So all you need to do is grab your coconut oil and just apply it.
And you can lick your lips and eat some if you really
No,
want.
then you're gonna get more dry
Then
skin.
you apply more.
Oh. Do you guys understand my dry lips have gotten so bad that it's like expanding. Now it's a dry face.
I'm not gonna lie, sometimes Nora's lips are scary how dry they are.
It's crazy.
The nice thing is though, she always has lip balm on her.
Non-stop.
It's really moisturizing.
I should actually put this right next to my desk.
Love it.
This is moisturizing.
It really is.
And not sticky.
Yeah,
Right?
love it.
Alright, you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave us some suggestions below for some other videos you guys want us to do. And we will see you guys next time.
Bye.